Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we have another phone from OnePlus. Here we have the OnePlus 7 with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of RAM. As we know, we unboxed the OnePlus 7 Pro in blue, and today we have the 7 in mirror gray. So let's go ahead and cut the plastic real quick, and then we can just peel right off. As you can see, the box, it's really protected with this plastic, and now we have the box itself. We can slide out this cord right here. We just need to get it loose, and then it goes. So as you guys know, the OnePlus 7, it's powered by the same Snapdragon 855 as the Pro version. This one, as I said, it's with 6 gigs of RAM. You can buy it with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of RAM. And as you know, the OnePlus with these phones, it's very good and is doing great. So as you know, in this box we have the silicone case, and we have some cords. Here we have the piece to unlock the SIM card tray, and here we have the phone itself. As you can see, never settle, the fingerprint logo, and we have some instructions in the back. So let's go ahead and pull this out. And as you can see, the mirrored black, very beautiful smartphone and very beautiful color. So let's put this back here and see. Here we have the charging cable port for your plug wall. This is the Europe type, and here we have the cable. Underneath we don't have anything else. So now that we have the phone here, we can see the color and the notch, the teardrop, and we can see that the volume, vibration and turn off volume is in the right side. We have the power switch. Up and down volume we have in the left side, and we have the SIM card slot in the left side as well. 2 cameras with a flash, and that's all. Let's go and power it on. So now we can set up all the information. Let's go start, agree, and all these we have to agree. Now we have the Wi-Fi. So let me just log in real quick and I'll be right back. Now after I put my Wi-Fi here, we can press next and we can choose here. We can back up from an Android phone, a backup from cloud, or an iPhone device. And in the end we have don't copy. So if you want to go as a new phone, you press don't copy. And now let's see what we have next. We have here the Google account. We can skip that. And now we have to, or we can, to put our Face ID and the fingerprint unlock. We are going to do that later, so we can skip just right here. Skip again the password. And here we have the finished touches. We have the screen off gesture. Turn on. Let's turn this all the way. And we have now to choose the font. Let's go with this one. And here we have finally the phone after a full setup. Let's go and turn this brightness all the way up. And we have here a full usable OnePlus 7. As we can see, the teardrop notch and the grill for speaker. I don't know if you can see in the reflection. So we in the side we have the Wi-Fi, battery, SIM card. In the side we have the time and the updates. Let's go and turn these off. So as you can see, we have quite a few apps that are already downloaded. Let's go to the settings first. And as you can see, the first thing that we saw is the update. So the new update just came. This phone is brand new. We have the update here. We can update it later. And we have here all the information about this phone. As we see, we have here the Snapdragon 855 with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of RAM. We have the camera 48 plus 5 megapixel dual camera with optical. The screen is optical AMOLED 6.5 and 41-inch display. We have the version here, Android 9, build number, and all these kind of information. we can find right here. We have the storage, as we saw, 128, and we have a lot options to customize when we start to use it. You have all these options to customize for your preference. So as you know, we unboxed the 7 Pro before, and we have to try the security lock with Face ID and fingerprint. So let me just put my Face ID and we can see how fast it works. Now we have here the phone set it up, so you can see here the fingerprint. Let's test that real quick. Again, the fingerprint is very fast. Now let's test the Face ID. So I'm right behind the camera and the phone is able to see my face, and you saw that was really fast. So the Face ID and fingerprint is working really good. And as you know, the OnePlus is one of the best companies for these kind of security. So the face unlock really does work fast enough, and the fingerprint as well. So guys, this was all for the OnePlus 7. If you like this kind of video, hit the like button. We will unbox other phones in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and we will see you in the next time.